So I found this quote and I really love it, and I would like to read it every day, at least for a while. How do I do this in Rome? Well, the first thing that comes to mind is using a delta, which is what I have here. In my case, if I want to read it every day, it would be 1 plus 0. If I want to read it every 2 days, 2 plus 0. Let's keep it 1 plus 0. But this is not perfect, because if I click here, then okay, I've read it for today. It would be like clicking a to-do, but then I will have another copy here. So right now I have the copy from today, July the 5th, and tomorrow's copy, July the 6th. And tomorrow I will be able to click back in here if I want, and then I will have another copy, and in 3 days I will have 3 copies, which could potentially, pollute the graph, and we don't want that. Another option would be, instead of using deltas, by the way, if I change my mind and I delete the delta here, I will still have the delta existing here. So deleting the delta on the 5th doesn't change it on the 6th, which again makes the graph be less clean than it could be. Another way to do this, if I want to have this sentence here repeated every day, would be to use a template, which is what I do every day. I start the day, let's say we are on tomorrow, and let's go to here, say day, new day, and boom, here's my daily template. But again, this is not great. So what's the other way to do it? You select whatever you want, say this, and then go to the little calendar here, select the day, say the 14th, and then, open it on the side maybe, and move it. Another way to do it is this. But again, it's not great. So what's the solution? Rome Teleport. It's an extension. I already have it installed. What you do is you right click here on whatever block you want to teleport, go to plugins and move to tomorrow, and it's gone. If we go to tomorrow, here we have it. We have the old delta, right? Which, by the way, I'm going to clean up. And we have the teleported block. And let's create a child here, and now let's teleport it again to tomorrow. It teleports all of the children as well. Now, one limitation: if we are on the 5th, like today is the 5th, and we want to teleport it again to tomorrow, it won't work because tomorrow is technically the 6th. Also, if we want to teleport it, say, to next week or to a specific date, then we have to go back the old way and select the day we want to teleport it, say the 14th, and then move it how we usually do it. I think this plugin is great anyways, especially if you're dealing with to-dos, which I don't for Rome, but many people do. Now, to install it, first the source. I found it lurking, as one does, in Reddit. If we go here, we find the code, just copy, go back to your graph, and go to Rome CLJS. I have it here already, but we will go through it as if I didn't. I like to, create a bullet with the title of the extension. Under the bullet, curly brackets, square brackets, Rome/CLJS. And underneath it, that's where we will paste our code. In this case, /CLJS, enter, paste the code. And that's it. You would go to yes, I know what I'm doing, reload your graph, and it would work. Hope you like it, hope you use it. See you in the next one.